Welcome to our channel. Today we're going to tackle a common issue that many Tubi users encounter, error code 200. This error can be frustrating, but don't worry. We're here to guide you through a step-by-step solution to get you back to enjoying your favorite shows and movies in no time. Step 1. Restart your device. The first and simplest step is to restart the device you are using to access Tubi. Whether it's a smartphone, tablet, smart TV, or streaming device, a quick restart can resolve many glitches. Step 2. Check your internet connection. Error code 200 often relates to connectivity issues. Make sure your internet connection is stable. You can do this by checking if other devices can access the internet, running a speed test to ensure you have adequate bandwidth, connecting to a different Wi-Fi network, if possible. Step 3. Update the Tubi app. An outdated app version might cause errors. Make sure your Tubi app is up to date. For iOS devices, head to the App Store. For Android devices, visit the Google Play Store. For smart TVs, go to the Settings menu and check for app updates. If an update is available, download and install it. Step 4. Clear app cache and data. Clearing the app cache or data can help resolve persistent errors. For Android, go to Settings, Apps, Tubi, Storage, Clear Cache, and then Clear Data. For iOS, you may need to delete the app and reinstall it to clear the cache. Step 5. Disable VPN or proxy services. If you're using a VPN or proxy, it might interfere with your connection to Tubi. Try disabling it and see if the error persists. Step 6. Reinstall the Tubi app. If none of the above steps worked, uninstalling and reinstalling the Tubi app might be your best bet. After reinstalling, open the app and log back into your account. Check if the error code still appears. Step 7. Contact Tubi support. If you've tried all the steps and are still facing error code 200, it might be time to reach out to Tubi's support team for further assistance. They can help identify specific issues related to your account or device. Remember, troubleshooting can take time, and it's important to follow through these steps carefully. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and give this video a thumbs up if you found it helpful. Happy streaming!